Alright, come in. Right, I've got to drain the oil to take the oil tank out. I mean, I know you said it's new. Look at that. There's hardly any in it, to be honest with you. But what they've done as well, all this tape around here is because this pipe's got a fucking great hole in it. Or I imagine it is, otherwise you wouldn't have all this pipe. But this stuff coming out is horrendous. I don't know what it is, but it's really thick, shitty. You know, you said it's been changed recently, but that, there's not a lot coming out, to be honest with you. I don't know what's going on. Pretty horrendous stuff, that is. You know, it's pretty shitty. Anyway, just an advisory really, but I wouldn't use that, I really wouldn't.